Gravity and satellites. Answer the questions 1 to 4 by completing the sentences. What is a satellite? A satellite is a body which orbits a larger body in space. What type of satellite is the Moon? The Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. What type of satellite is a communication satellite? A communication satellite is an artificial satellite because it's been made by man. What force of attraction exists between the Earth and the Moon? The Moon and the Earth are attracted towards each other by the force of gravity. Look at the diagram. Which force line, A or B, shows the force of gravity that the Earth exerts on the Moon? It's A. Why is A a bigger arrow than B? The Earth is bigger than the Moon, so it exerts a larger force of gravity. What is a natural satellite? A natural satellite is a body or an object in space that orbits a larger body. Give an example. The Moon. Complete the diagram of an artificial satellite orbiting the Earth. Here's the completed diagram. It shows the force of gravity being exerted on the Earth and the Earth exerting a force of gravity on the satellite. Explain why you drew one arrow bigger than the other. The Earth is bigger than the satellite. This means that the Earth exerts a greater force of gravity on the satellite than the satellite exerts on the Earth. What type of satellite is shown on the diagram? It's an artificial satellite. What launches the satellite into space? A rocket. Why is it necessary for the satellite to travel at over 37,600 kilometers per hour when it leaves the surface of the Earth? It is so that it can overcome the force of the Earth's gravity. When the satellite travels at 27,200 kilometers per hour, what path does it follow? It follows the path of the orbit, that is around the Earth. What force keeps the satellite following this path? The force of gravity of the Earth that is pulling on the satellite, and it must be maintaining a constant speed. What happens to the satellite if its speed drops below 27,200 km per hour? It will then be pulled back to Earth by the Earth's gravity.